Homoeopathic Pharmacopoeia of India. It is the official pharmacopoeia of India, published by Government of India by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare in the form of Homoeopathic Pharmacopoeia of India (HPI). Till date, 10th volume of Homoeopathic Pharmacopoeia is already published. Different volumes are there. 10 volumes are already published in the different years, and that contain different number of monographs. First, I want to give the introductory portion of the entire content, entire volumes of the Homoeopathic Pharmacopoeia. The first volume of Homoeopathic Pharmacopoeia is published in the year 1971, and the number of monograph is 180. Volume 2 is published in the year 1974, and the number of monograph is 100. The third volume is published in the year 1978, and the volume is 105. Volume 4 is published in the year 1984, and the monograph is 107. Volume 5 is published in the year 1986. Monograph is 114. Volume 6 is published in the year 1990, and the monograph is 104. Volume 7, year of publication is 1999, and monograph is 105. Volume 8 is published in the year 101, in the year 2000, and monograph is 101. And the ninth volume is published in the year 2007, and monograph is 100. And the last volume, 10th volume, is published in the year 2013, and monograph is 101. Now we discuss the different each and individual volumes of what are the contents of each volume. Now we start with the volume 1, HPI volume 1. So many appendices are there in HPI volume 1. In appendix 1, the materials and solution employed in the test. कौन कौन सा टेस्ट हम लोग इम्प्लॉय करेंगे उसके बारे में अपेंडिक्स 1 में दिया हुआ है. अपेंडिक्स 2 में सॉल्यूशन इम्प्लॉयड इन द वॉल्यूमेट्री डिटर्मिनेशन. दीज आर मेंशनिंग इन द अपेंडिक्स 2. अपेंडिक्स 3 includes the indicator employed in the volumetric determination and in pH determination. Next is pH ranges and color changes of the indicator. Next is determination of the pH value. Appendix 4, determination of the melting and boiling ranges. Appendix 5, determination of the refractive index. Appendix 6, determination of the weight per millimeter and specific gravity. Appendix 7, qualitative reaction of the some common substances and radicals. Appendix 8, limit tests for chloride, iron and sulfate, arsenic, lead, heavy metal test. In Appendix 9, determination of ash, determination of sulfated ash, determination of residue or ignition, determination of water soluble ash. Appendix 10, determination of moisture content for chemical, determination of moisture content of vegetable product. In Appendix 11, determination of alcohol soluble extractive, determination of water soluble extractive. In Appendix 12, quantitative determination of alcohol in pharmaceutical preparation. Appendix 13, powdered sheet. Appendix 14, a standard of vacuum used for external application. Appendix 15, determination of saponification value, iodine value and acid value. Appendix 16, test for absence of archis oil in the other vials, test for absence of cottonseed oil in other vials, test for absence of sesame oil in other vial, test for absence of linseed oil in other vial. Appendix 17, Hahnemann's classification of methods of preparation of homeopathic drugs, old method. Appendix 18, names, symbols, atomic weight of the elements. Appendix 19, names in Indian language of indigenous drugs. In HPI volume 2, Appendix 20 and 20A, 21 and 22. These are the HPI volume 2 that contains powder and chips, determination of ester. In Appendix 21, determination of palisade ratio, stomatal number, vein inlet number, vein termination number. In Appendix 22, a specific gravity of solids. These are the contents of HPI 1 and 2. In HPI Volume 3, Appendix 5th B, Determination of Optical Rotation and of Specific Rotation. Appendix 21, Methods for Determination of Alcohol Content in Homeopathic Tincture. In HPI Volume 4, Appendix 22, Determination of Viscosity. Appendix 23, Test for Pyrogens. Appendix 24, Chromatography. Appendix 25, Oxygen Flask Method. Appendix 26, Preparation of nosodes. In Volume 4, preparation of nosodes is mentioned in 26 appendix. In HPI Volume 5, Appendix 14, a standard for vehicle used for internal medication. In Appendix 25, a standard for simple ointment, eye ointment, cream-based ointment, and paraffin ointment. Appendix 26, a standard for syrup. Appendix 27, temperature correction data. In HPI Volume 6, Appendix 29, a spray reagent for drug component. Appendix 24, a standard for syrup, liquid or oral. In HPI Volume 7, Appendix 1 and 2 is there. In Appendix 1, a standard for biochemic tablets, and Appendix 2, determination of lambda max of ultraviolet light and a spectrophotometer. In HPI Volume 8, Appendix 1 appendix is there that includes determination of lambda max by ultraviolet spectrometer and a standard of finished product of 100 for drugs. And the last HPI Volume 9 is Appendix 1 and 2, acetaldehyde and test for steroid. These all are the contents of different volumes of Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia of India. Thank you.